Morning po mga kabegas. Magandang gabi po dyan sa Pilipinas. Magluluto po ako ngayon ng tinolang manok na chicken wing. Po, ginigisa ko na po. Masarap po yan, chicken wing. Sarap po yan, oh. Chicken wing. Ito po yung sahog natin, papaya. Tsaka isang anong bok choy. Bok choy po, yan. Sahog natin.
Ano pa yung pangigi 900, Mami Max 740.
Sige po, mamaya-maya na lang po. Hello po, ito na po, malapit na po maluto yung tinola natin. Yummy na po, yummy. Nako, nag-mold. Nag-mold po sa usok ang tinola natin. Sobrang sarap. Yummy po, yummy mga kabegas. Go, isang kuluang mga 5 minutes pa. Lalagay na natin tong gulay natin. Ay, magsasaing pa pala ako. Mga kabegas. Wala palang kanin. Luto na yung ulam, wala pang kanin. Saing.
I'm 54. What's a smoker? But I quit. What's my price?
You can get coverage for $9.95 a month.
I'm 65. I'm retired and I take medication. What's my price?
Also, $9.95 a month.
Mga kabegas, yung bigas po natin, galing po ng India. Ano?
If you're age 50 to 85, call now.
Walang ganong sugar.
Insurance plan. Available through the Colonial Penn program. Options start at $9.95 a month. That's less than 35 cents a day.
Call for your free Colonial Penn planner with important information you need. Plus, you'll receive coverage options to fit your budget and needs, as well as a simple one-page application form. No health questions asked. Guaranteed. Call 1-800-780-6743.
You cannot be turned down because of your health. No medical exams, no health questions. Your acceptance is guaranteed. And this plan has a guaranteed lifetime rate, so your rate can never go up to anyone.
Call for your free, no-obligation Colonial Penn planner and get the information you need. You'll also receive a simple one-page application form as well as helpful ways to leave important messages for your family. Get your planner today and let them know what's important to you. Call 1-800-780-6743.
Use this guide and guide for important information and give helpful directions to your loved ones with your final wishes. So call now for free information.
Call now to find out more. Call 1-800-780-6743.
Bigas ng bigas. Mga kabegas. Bagay, maaga pa. Maaga pa para kumain. Rice cooker naman po yung paglulutuan natin ng kanin. Okay na po ito. Siguro maglalagay na natin yung gulay. Tinola natin. Sa ibang araw po, para magluto ako ng lugaw na may chicken wing. Chicken na lugaw. Para sa kaldo. Sa darating na araw po yun, mga kabigas. Yummy na po ito. Salamat po sa panonood ninyo, mga kabigas. Paalam na po. Paki-like na lang po at share at saka subscribe na rin po, mga kabigas. Salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.